Stock market tips that can work for anyone. The lure of the stock market can be quite strong. After all, who wouldn't want to make money just by investing and sitting back to reap the profits? However, you can also lose it just as easily. So, always take the time to inform yourself, in order to make the wisest choices for your situation. The information in this video can help you to develop a winning strategy that works for you. Do not blindly follow the recommendations of your investment broker without doing some due diligence of your own. Ensure that the investment is registered with the SEC and find some background information on the way that the investment has performed in the past. There have been instances of fraud whereby the information presented by the broker was fabricated. One fund to consider when investing in the stock market is an index fund. Index funds simply track a segment of the market, most popularly the S&P 500. It takes very little effort and it guarantees that you, at least, pace the market at large. Studies show that actively managed funds largely underperformed index funds. It is hard to beat the market. Remember that stock prices are reflections of earnings. In the short-term immediate future, market behavior will fluctuate depending on news and rumor and the emotional responses to those, ranging from enthusiasm to panic. In the longer-term picture, however, company earnings over time wind up determining whether a stock price rises or falls. As you already know, the lure of quick and easy profit is the siren call of the stock market. However, there are just as many dangers to those who are blinded by the thought of getting rich quick. Always take the time and arm yourself with knowledge before jumping into anything. Your investment of time will help assure that your financial investment will pay off for you. Now that you have a clear idea about trading, are you ready to start for free? Yes, you can access for free the best online trading platform that will help you fly over the tiring process of trials and errors. Start today for 100% free and enjoy the following 14 videos tutorial will help you to get started for free. Whether you're an EA programming guru or an absolute beginner, a video tutorial will take you step by step through how to create your own indicators and strategies without writing a single line of code. Scroll down the page below to see the first video on how to create a simple but useful indicator. Scroll down to video tutorials and play the YouTube video. And there's much more inside. You will learn how to design, backtest and optimize a winning strategy. It doesn't matter whether you're using MetaTrader or TradeStation, the videos are made for both platforms. 1. How to create indicators. 2. How to create strategies. 3. Daily breakout strategy. 4. Daily breakout with pending orders. 5. Strategy optimization. 6. Money management demonstration. 7. Trendline breakout automated entry. Check out the first video in the description. Your fellow mega winning trader, Barthelemy MC.